Weather Service in Spokane has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Chelan County and north central Washington. This includes the city of Wenatchee until midnight Pacific Daylight Time at 9:51 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Flash flooding was reported from a thunderstorm over the warned area. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Sunny Islip and Cashner. The affected areas are the Canyon Fire burn scars in number 1 and number 2 canyons above Wenatchee. High-intensity rainfall on the burned areas can cause dangerous flash flooding and debris flows. Residents and motorists in and below the canyons, including in the city of Wenatchee, should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The affected areas are the Peavin Canyon Fire burn scars in the Mission Creek drainage above Cashner. High-intensity rainfall on the burned areas may cause dangerous flash flooding and debris flows. Residents and motorists in and below the Peavin Canyon Fire burn scars, including those that live along Mission Creek from the burn scar to the Wenatchee River, should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The affected areas are the Poison Canyon Fire burn scars in the Mission Creek drainage above Cashner. High-intensity rainfall on the burned areas may cause dangerous flash flooding and debris flows. Residents and motorists and hikers in and below the Poison Fire burn scar, including those that live along Mission Creek from the burn scar to the Wenatchee River, should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until midnight Pacific Daylight Time Sunday for the following counties: Chelan County, Washington. From the burn scar to the Wenatchee River should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Until midnight Pacific. Chelan County, Washington.
Philip Phillips.
The middle.